Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and what you're looking at is the S&P 500. This is a tick chart, and this is the night trading, and I'm going to show you the turns. Actually, I do have one indicator that I've modified and twisted and turned a little bit. I'm not going to say what it is or how I put it up there or how it corresponds with anything else. It's all part of the method that I teach. And you can just see the price action before the start of the day. This was the night trading. Now, I'm not saying that I'm taking all of these trades. I only need one or two of these little trades, as I'll show you later, to get my daily goal. And even if you took some of these turns for three ticks, you scaled out at 3 ticks and the rest let run. That's actually what I do as well. I scale out so I lock in some profits, but I'll show you these turns throughout the day, and you can just see, I'm not going to explain the indicator or how it works, but you can more or less, I would say, figure it out. This basically, though, is a signal line, and this is a signal line. And we don't take every trade, and sometimes you'll have, like this is a counter trend trade that would have produced a point or more, but I'm not always going to take a trade against the trend like that. Sometimes I do, and I'm trying to get away from doing less of that. This is a follow-through with a continuation of the trend right here, but we do get a failure. So there is 3 ticks, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's getting filled here, 3 ticks. If it falls back in here, I'm at least going to get out at like a break-even plus 3 minus a few ticks. So that might be a break-even trade. If it went short in here, scale out at a point, 2 points, or what have you. Here's a point. Maybe break even on the second half, short. There's the open right there. In any case, you can see there's a move down, there's a move back up, a move down, a move up. You can see how it coincides and coincides with that indicator on the bottom. But my trading method really doesn't have anything to do with that indicator, or even the color change that you see on the chart here. It's actually based on something completely different of all of that. But the good part is that it does coincide with these turns, and that's why it makes it a value to me and to the people that subscribe to my method. So in any case, I'll just keep moving along here so you can see what's going on. I like that little short right there on 8 o'clock. This here, now I usually run a 4 tick stop. If you're running a 4 ticks, that would have got you stopped out. That's 4 ticks against you. But if seeing this action here, I probably would have gone re-entered long right there and got that trade back and then some. But you can run 5 ticks, or you can run like a 6 tick, like a safety net, and quickly move that to something smaller once the trade starts moving in your direction. So there's a lot of different ways to do that. And again, a lot of these trades are trading with the trend, counter trend. You can skip the counter trend trades, trade with the trend, or you can try to just scalp a little bit out of each turn and see where you end up. But that's a lot of times what I do, and taking small trades, but trying to be a little bit more selective. And this was actually a good trade. I did get out early. You can see up here the momentum slowed, and you can see the corresponding change right there. But I'm scaling out. I'm selling into strength right here. 5 ticks right here, 2 points, and move a little higher, come back. If I let that wait, that might drop down another 2 ticks or so before I get out. But I could have let that run a little bit longer, as you can see. And this was a trade short. So it was just really these 2 trades, several points profit there. One little tick that I missed here. Well, actually, I had some doubts and wanted to see if this was actually going to push up the next time. And so as it started to bounce in between here, I re-entered right here and got that move. But the method told me that that was the entry, not the indicators or not anything else. So that's the rest of the day. And that's it for today. Something a little different, showed you a little bit more, but there's something to it. So if anybody wants more info, Vince at Sniper Day Trading. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.